the graph of an equation y equals a times x plus 2 times x minus 6 in the xy plane is parabola with vertex p, q coordinates. Find q. It means we have to find the second coordinate of vertex of our parabola. So we have here quadratic function. What else? Let me remind you first formula for a quadratic equation with vertex, given vertex. When we have vertex P, Q, the formula for quadratic equation is y is equal a times x minus p to second power plus q. When we have this formula, to read the second coordinate of our vertex, it's very easy. It's the number which was added to this expression. So what we have to do? We have to rewrite our given equation to this form. And when we have this form, we'll just read the value of q. So let me copy our equation. We have y is equal a times x plus 2 times x minus 6. What I will do, I will left a because a we have before our expression x minus p to second power. And what I will do, I will first do multiplication, this two parentheses. So let me copy left side and a, and I will put in brackets whatever we got from multiplication. Every expression from the first parenthesis I have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have x times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Close brackets. And now we will combine the like terms in brackets. So we have y is equal a, and in brackets we will have x squared negative 6x plus 2x, so it will be negative 4x minus 12, close brackets. Like I said, we'll try to rewrite this equation to this form. So first we need to have y is equal a, we copy, and next we have expression x minus something to second power. So let's open parentheses and let's copy the brackets at the beginning. What we have here, x squared minus 4x. So let's ask yourself, what we need to have at the beginning? Of course must be x, because we have x squared. And next, because we have here negative 4x, we need to have negative 2 to second power. Let's raise x minus 2 to second power. We'll see what we will have. X minus 2 to second power, this is it. We have square of difference, so we have x squared minus 2 times x times 2, so this is 4x plus 4. And what we have here at the beginning, we have x squared, so we have x squared also now. Negative 4x, negative 4x, and also we have plus 4. But we don't have here plus 4. So what we will do, we will subtract this 4. So now, when from this expression we subtract 4, we don't have this last 4. We have only x squared minus 4x. So everything is correct. And we have to also subtract 12. We copy the negative 12. Close the brackets. So now we have y is equal a, and what we will have in brackets, x minus 2 to second power, negative 4, negative 12 is negative 16. So we have y is equal a times first expression, so we have a times x minus 2 to second power, and we have a times negative 16, so this is negative 16a. And now we can come back to our general form when we have given vertex PQ. What we see? We have at the beginning A and A, the same. We have next, in parentheses, x minus b, we have x minus 2. So the first coordinate of vertex is 2. And what else? We have plus q here. And what we have here? Plus negative 16. We can also rewrite that this is y is equal a times x minus 2 to second power plus negative 16a. Positive and negative give me negative. I didn't change anything, but now you see exactly the value of our q. It's negative 16a. So we found the second value of the second coordinates of our vertex. Q is equal negative 16a. This is my solution.